Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set the location name of your server or your session in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So if you have many networks, that is your network is geographically distributed, means you need to identify your computer where it is located. So this command will be useful to set the location so that you can identify your computer where it is located. Okay, so hostname ctl set hyphen location, give some location name. Okay, this is the command used to set the location. Okay, after giving hostname ctl, you can see that location for this computer is got set here. So this is the way we need to set the location for computer using hostname ctl. Also, now I am going to show you how to clear this location or remove the location. Okay, so just give empty string which will reset or clear or remove the location. Okay, so now I am going to put back some other location because I need location. So I am giving new location as stretched properly. So after giving hostname ctl command, you can see new location is got set. Okay, so this command will be useful for those who are having computer or server or session just geographically distributed across networks.